Hello everyone, so today we're going to discuss simplifying rational algebraic expressions. So in simplifying these rational algebraic expressions, we're going to make use of the property of simplifying rational expressions. That if A, B, and C are polynomials, then CA over CB is equal to A over B, where B is not equal to 0 and C is not equal to 0. So going back to CA over CB, which is equal to A over B, we cancel out the common factor, which is C. So this is the property that we're going to apply in simplifying rational algebraic expressions. So let us have an example. So let us reduce the given expressions to simplest forms. Okay, so none of the denominators is 0. Okay, so let us have number 1 example. Let's say we have 3x over 15y. So first step is we're going to get the prime factors of both the numerator and the denominator. So we have to factor the numerator. We have 3 times x, okay, over the denominator. Get the prime factors. We have 5 times 3 times y, okay? Then cancel out the common factor, which is 3, because if we're going to divide that, that is equal to 1. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So you will just get now the prime factor, which is x only. So we have x over 5y, okay? So this is now the answer for number 1. Next, number 2. Okay, number 2, let's say we have okay. So number 2, let's say we have x cubed y over xy. Now, again, we're going to get the prime factors. So we have x times x times x, okay? So x cubed is equal to x times x times x times y over x times y. Now, next step is we're going to cancel out the common factors. So we have x, and then x. Okay, let us make use of other. Okay, so we have to cancel out x and then y. Okay, so we have only x times x. Okay, and we all know that x times x is equal to x squared. We will just add the exponent. So we have x squared. Okay, so that's the answer. Next, number 3. Let's say we have x cubed y raised to 5 over x raised to the 4th power y raised to the 2nd power. So that is equal to x times x times x, then times y times y times y times y times y over x times x times x times x, then times y times y. So let us now cancel x variable. Here we have to cancel x, then another one x, another x, and then we have y, or simply just cancel the 2 y's. So we have y and then y. So we have only 3 y's and then 1 x, okay? So the final answer here is y raised to the 3rd power over x. So this is now the answer. Okay? Next, number 4, let's say we have 2 times x minus 5 over 4 times x minus 5. Okay. As you can see, we have already a common factor, which is x minus 5. But then let us simplify first 2 over 4. So, that is 2 times x minus 5 over the prime factors of 4. Or we have 2 and then 2, right? So, 2 times 2, we have 4. Then times x minus 5. Then, let us now cancel 2 and then x minus 5, okay? Then, we have here 1 over 2, this one, okay? So, the simplest form or the lowest term of the rational expression 2 times x minus 5 over 4 times x minus 5 is equal to 1/2. Next, number 5. Let's say we have 4b times a plus b over 12b. Okay. Then, we have 2 times b times a plus b. So, these are the prime factors. And then, we have here 2 times 3 times b. Okay? Then, let us now cancel 2 times 2, this one, and then b. Okay? Then, we only have a plus b over 3. So, the lowest term is a plus b over 3. Next, number 6. Let's say we have x plus 2 squared over x plus 2 raised to the 5th power. So, here, we're going to write the prime factors. Let us write x plus 2 twice. Okay? X plus 2 over, and then x plus 2, how many times? So, 5 times. So, we have x plus 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 2 and then times x plus 2. Okay. Then, let us now cancel this one. Then, we only have now 1 over x plus 2 raised to 3 because there are 3 remaining factors. We have x plus 2, and then x plus 2. 1, 2, and then 3. So, the lowest term is 1 over x plus 2 raised to the 3rd power. Next, number 7. Let's say we have ab times 2x minus 1 over a cube b times 2x minus 1. So, we have to get the prime factors of both the numerator and then the denominator. So, we have a times b times 2x minus 1. And then here, we have a times a times a times b times 2x minus 1. Okay? Then, let us now cancel a variable and then b, and then we have 2x minus 1. Then, we only have now 1 over a squared. So, we have 2 remaining factors a. We have 1 and then 2. So, that's why we have a raised to the 2nd power. Okay? So, that's the answer. Number 8, we have 3x minus 15 over 9x plus 27. So, here, as you can see, we have binomials. So, the numerator is a binomial. The denominator is also a binomial. So, for the numerator, we have to get the common factor of 3x and then 15. And we all know that the common factor is 3, right? So, we have 3. Then, To get the other factor, divide. 3x divided by 3, we have x. Negative 15 divided by 3, we have negative 5. So if you're going to multiply 3 times x, we have 3x. 3 times negative 5, we have negative 15. Then over, common factor is 9, right? To get the other factor, divide. 9x divided by 9, we have x. Then 27 divided by 9, we have 3. Okay, plus 3. But then, let us factor 9. So, we all know that the factors of 9 prime factors are 3 and then 3, right? So, we have 3 times 3. Then, that is equal to, let us cancel 3. We cannot cancel x minus 5 and then x plus 3 because they are not the same. So, we will just write x minus 5 over 3 times x plus 3. Now, if the instruction is that you're going to get the simplest form of this rational algebraic expression in factored form, so this is the answer. But then, if in product form, so the answer is x minus 5 over, you will just multiply 3 times x, we have 3x. And then 3 times 3, we have 9, so plus 9. So, this is the answer. Okay? Next, number 9. Let's say we have x squared minus 9 over x minus 3. Okay. So, what are you going to do here is you're going to factor the numerator. As you can see, this is an example of a difference of two squares. Wherein, if we have x squared minus y squared, this is equal to x plus y and then x minus y, right? So here, the square root of x squared is x. Okay? Then the square root of 9 is 3. Okay? So you're going to write x plus 3 and then x minus 3. Then over x minus 3. Then here you cancel x minus 3. Then we only have x plus 3. Okay? So this is the answer. Next. Number 10. We have 5x minus 20 over 4 minus x squared. Okay, so here, again, the numerator is a binomial. You're going to get the common factor, which is 5. Then times 5x divided by 5, we have x minus 20 divided by 5, we have 4. Then over 4 minus x times 4 minus x. Then let us now cancel x minus 4 and then 4 minus x. This is equal to negative 1. Okay? Then we have here 5 over negative 4 minus x. Okay? So that is equal to negative 5 over 4 minus x. So this is the answer. Okay? Next, number 11. We have x minus 2 over 4x minus 8. So, this is very easy. You will just write x minus 2 over common factor of 4x minus 8 is 4. Then, 4x divided by 4, we have x minus 8 divided by 4, we have 2. Then, equals 2. You cancel x minus 2, we have 1/4. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay? Next, number 12. We have 2 times x squared minus y squared over x plus y. Okay, so you will just copy 2 times, again, this is a difference of 2 squares, so we have x plus y, and then x minus y. Then over x plus y. So let us now cancel x plus y. We have only 2 times x minus y over 1. So no need for us to write here over 1. So that is equal to 2x minus 2y. Because we multiply 2 times x, we have 2x. 2 times negative y, we have negative 2y. So that is the answer. Number 13, let's say we have the square of x plus 1, okay, over x squared minus 1. So here, as you can see, we have the square of x plus 1. We're going to write it twice. So x plus 1 times x plus 1 over x squared minus 1 is a difference of 2 squares. So we have x plus 1 then times x minus 1. Okay? Because square root of x squared is x, square root of 1 is 1. So you will just write x plus 1 and then x minus 1. Sum and difference of 2 terms. Then we have to cancel x plus 1. Then you will just copy x plus 1 over x minus 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Next number 14. We have 2x minus 8 over x squared minus 7x plus 12. Okay, so the numerator is a binomial, the denominator is a trinomial. You're going to get the common factor of a binomial, 2x minus 8, so that is 2. Okay, then the other factor, we have 2x divided by 2, we have x. Then negative 8 divided by 2, we have negative 4. Then over, factors are x squared minus 7x plus 12. So what are the factors? We have factors of x squared are x and then x. How about 12? Factors of 12 were in, if we're going to get the sum of that factors, the sum is negative 7x or negative 7. So that is, let's say, negative 4 and then negative 3, right? If we're going to multiply negative 4 and then negative 3, that is equal to positive 12. Let us multiply negative 4 times x, we have negative 4x. Now, x times negative 3, we have negative 3x. If you're going to add that, the result is negative 7x, which is the middle term, right? Okay. Then, the factors are correct. We have x minus 4 and then x minus 3. Then after that, let us now cancel x minus 4 because they are the same and it is equal to 1. Then equals to 2 over x minus 3. So this is the answer. The simplified form of the rational algebraic expression 2x minus 8 over x squared minus 7x plus 12. Next, number 15. We have x squared minus 5x plus 6 over x squared plus 3x minus 10. Okay, so here, what are the factors of this trinomial? The first trinomial. So, factors of x squared are x and then x. Factors of 6, wherein the sum is negative 5. Let's say we have negative 3 and then negative 2, right? So, negative 3 times negative 2, we have positive 6. If you're going to multiply negative 3 times x, we have negative 3x. X times negative 2, we have negative 2x. Add it, we have negative 5x. So, which is the middle term, right? Check. So, let us now erase. Then, over the second, the denominator. So, we have x squared, factors are x, and then x. Negative 10 we have, let's say, positive 5 and then negative 2. So, let us check. 5 times negative 2, we have negative 10, right? Then, let us multiply 5 times x, we have 5x. X times negative 2, we have negative 2x. So, if you're going to add it, the result is positive 3x, which is the middle term, right? Okay, then let us now cancel x minus 2. Okay, then we have here x minus 3 over x plus 5. So this is the simplified form of x squared minus 5x plus 6 over x squared plus 3x minus 10. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I know you learned a lot. Just like, comment. If you have questions, I'll answer you. Just comment below. Share it with your classmates. And then click the notification button for more videos and updates. Thank you.